Hi guys, today I'm reviewing Angry Birds work pad things. You sit them in your lap and so you can write anywhere. The back's comfy. These are, Jacob, get out. These are kind of heavy though. They hurt on your lap even though these are comfy. I wouldn't recommend you getting these. They're a waste of money, so but I have two right here. Can you pick where Grandpa Pig? Let's take a moment in respect for that mustache. Close enough. Here's the back. Here's the Redbird. Classic Redbird. Here's the back. Black. Plain as normal. And I know I said I won't be making any more videos, but this is my last video until I think 8 o'clock. So that'll give you guys time to watch them, because I'm expecting a million views in like an hour. So I'll let you guys do that. Hit that subscribe button, like if you can, and bye.